Hey guys, this is Richard Price with High Tech Battery. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Philips M3863A AED battery replacement. So let's dive into it. First, this is exactly how it looks when it comes from us. White box. On the side you're going to get your part number 6L785, that's internal to us, as well as our lot number and serial number. The AED unit itself, we're going to have our faceplate with all of our information on it. You see our contacts are going to be off to one side, all solid brass. And then you're going to see our clip on the other side for easy removal and installation into the AED unit. So let's take a look at the faceplate first. We have our serial number up in the right-hand corner. In the middle of the battery, we're going to see our reference number as well as our expiration date. And then our chemistry and what it replaces is going to live off to the left-hand side. This battery fits the FR2, FR2 Plus, and the OEM Philips 3863A battery. This is a primary lithium battery. It cannot be recharged. So once the AED unit says that it's time to replace the battery, that is the case. It's a 12-volt unit. It has 4.2 amp hours worth of capacity. That equates out to about 300 shocks in the AED unit itself. Our normal lifespan on these is about 4 to 5 years. Even at the 4-year mark in the AED unit, you're about 35% capacity, assuming it has not needed to be used, which is still a few hours of on time. So even though the AED unit says it's time to replace the battery, chances are you still have at least 1 or 2 shocks in there while you're waiting for a replacement battery to arrive. The number one question we get on these AED units is going to be around the expiration date. When is? You can absolutely reach out to our staff here at orders@techbatterysolutions.com and we can get back to you with the expiration date of our current batch of batteries, or give us a call toll free at 1-877-775-4381. And we'll get in touch with the warehouse for you and let you know what the exact expiration date is. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes on hold there. So, that's about it, guys. They're all FDA-approved batteries. They have to be manufactured in a facility in the United States to the exact specifications of the original AED battery in order to be able to be sold on the market. Those facilities are audited on a regular basis, so these are indeed the real deal. So if you guys have any questions, again, our contact information is orders@techbatterysolutions.com. We can also be reached toll-free at 1-877-775-4381 to answer any of your questions. Thanks for your time today, guys. Bye-bye.